In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable drop-down chip suggestions in Google Sheets. If you've ever used drop-downs to keep data consistent, like status labels, priorities, or categories, drop-down chip suggestions can save you time by recommending neatly formatted options as you work. Here's how to turn them on. First, head to Google in your browser. From the homepage, look at the top right corner for the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click that to open the panel of Google services. Find and select Sheets. If you don't see it right away, you can scroll in the panel or use the search bar to locate it. Once Google Sheets opens, choose the spreadsheet you want to work in. You can open a recent file from the home screen or use the file picker to browse your drive. Give the sheet a moment to load so all the menus are available. Now, at the top of your spreadsheet, click Tools in the menu bar. This is where Google groups settings that control smart features and editing aids. From the Tools menu, choose Suggestion Controls. This panel manages the helpful suggestions Sheets can surface while you're editing. Inside Suggestion Controls, look for the option labeled Enable Drop-Down Chip Suggestions. Click it to turn the feature on. You'll usually see a check mark or a toggle indicating it's active. That's it. The setting is now enabled. A quick note on what you'll notice after enabling this. As you enter text that looks like a category, label, or repeating value, Sheets may suggest creating a drop-down chip with suggested options and colors. These chips help standardize entries and make your sheet easier to scan. You stay in control. Accept the suggestion if it's useful, or dismiss it if it's not a fit for your data. If the option isn't visible, make sure you're in Google Sheets on a desktop browser and that the file is fully loaded. Some features can vary by account type or admin settings, so availability may differ. Also, remember that drop-down chip suggestions are different from creating a drop-down manually. You can still set up custom drop-downs anytime, but suggestions can speed up that process when Sheets detects patterns. To recap, you went to Google, opened the Apps Launcher, selected Sheets, opened your document, and then used Tools, Suggestion Controls, and Enable Drop-Down Chip Suggestions. With this feature on, you'll spend less time configuring lists and more time analyzing your data. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more consistent spreadsheet.